Hey guys, it's Shan and welcome back to my channel, Not Your Average Vegan. Today I have something different for you guys. I'm going to go to a vegan restaurant here in Stockholm, Sweden, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So if you'd like to see that, stay tuned. So just to give you guys a look at what I ordered, I got a protein shake that was about $7 US. This is a drink that was about $6 US. I got extra fries, and then I got the Big Mac Hallow, which is a soy burger, and it was about $15. So I paid about $30 US for what I got. But you guys, this food is really awesome, so it's going to be well worth it. This is the drink, the power drink, and then this is the chocolate protein shake that I did good. And they also have bread and milk and water and stuff as well. Someone's thirsty. Hey. Never had the chocolate shake before. Jag har aldrig tvekat en sekund, nej.
mig. Jag har aldrig ångrat något dumt mig. För det som får mig att le, det är det som gör mig till den jag är. Vi alla har varit där, alla har någon gång kastat stenar i glashus. Eller varit katten som har jagat efter fel mus. Men vänd dig då om, titta bakåt i tiden, vad gjorde jag rätt? Tänk om, hitta lösningen på varför du trampat snett. Ta det lilla ljuset som är det finaste minne du har. Och låt det vägleda dig i mörkret efter svar. Jag har aldrig tvekat en sekund, nej. Jag har aldrig ångrat något dumt, nej. För det som får mig att le, det är det som gör mig till den jag är. Woo! Woohoo!
So we're back home. We were going to go to a park today, but we decided not to because it's a typical rainy day in Sweden. So we're going to come home, we're going to nap, and then I'll cook dinner later. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure you share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.